Hi guys, so we'll start with the second topic of concurrency in Golang. Okay, so we in last video we talked about goroutine, what is goroutine and two implementation of goroutine. So we'll start about wait group on this one. So let's see this code which we have already created in last video. So we'll go a brief discussion on this one. Then we'll go on implementing wait group on this one. So what we see here. So if this is our main package. In this is our code. So what we are doing is that we have created one function, and that function we are calling 10 times. Okay, and we are using go in front of it. That is a go routine. Okay, that means it will create 10 threads of 10 threads of hello, uh, and it will run concurrently. All one is main and 10 is hello threads. So 11 thread will run concurrently. Okay, and then I've just done time dot sleep. And what is the implementation of hello is that if you see this code, is we are just printing hello print, and I'm just doing it sleep for 1 second. Okay, so that this function, if you see this one, let's run this function. Okay, let me open my terminal. Okay, so 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 what will happen now, you will see that this function will run 10 time, and this function takes 1 second. So total you will see that it will take 10 seconds. Control. Okay, let me run quickly. We have already seen this one in last video. Okay, you see it take 10 seconds, 23 to. Okay, so for implementing this approach, we introduce go routine. Okay, now instead of 10 seconds, it will just take 2 seconds, less than 2 seconds. Okay, if you see this one. Okay, you see, so from 23, let's run this again. Okay, from 12 you will see 14. Only 2 seconds it takes, less than 2 seconds it takes to print or run all the threads. Okay, so this is what we are doing, is that because of time sleep we are able to see all the outputs. Okay, if we remove time sleep from this main thread, you will see no outputs of other threads. Okay, because yeah, we are able to see some output, but if you see here, you will see print hello 2 is not there. Okay, and this way you will not see all the outputs. Okay, let me what I do is that let me run it again. Okay, again you will see some we are missing, one we are missing here, another we are missing. So we can so we are not able to otherwise I have to wait, I have to write my time sleeps for this one. Okay, for this we have wait groups in Golang to make this one working without any issue. Okay, let's introduce wait group on this one. So to introduce wait group, what you have to do is that where wc, and in Go there is a package sync dot wait group, and I'll save it. So sync is imported. Then what we do is that let me okay. So what we can do, so we are creating 10 thread. We will just tell it, okay, for each thread we will add one. Okay, so this is the way we tell that wait group that I have added one more one more thread. Okay, so let me do this thing by asynchronous function. Okay, and I int well okay, and here what I can do, there is something called wz dot done and go in wait group. Okay, so what this is doing, this is a same one function. This is called anonymous function in Golang. Okay, so when you are writing this, you are self invoking this function, so where you are passing I into this one, and this is just calling hello well, and after executing hello well, we are just saying my thread is done inside this thread only. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are creating a wait group, and here we are telling for everything, wherever thread, whichever thread I am creating, I will tell okay wz add. So this were 10 time coming, so we are telling that it's 10 time that we have created a thread, and wz done tells that thread is done. Okay, my thread is done. So after this one, what we can do is that wz dot done. Okay. And one more thing I will do, let me see, yeah, so okay, yeah, our work is done. The total, if we see, this is just we are initializing it, and here we are telling it how many threads we have, and here after executing that method, we are telling that our thread is done, done, and here we will wait. Sorry, it is wait. Okay, so we tell the program to wait to execute all the thread. Now let's see how fast it runs. Okay, so go run main. Just imagine how fast it has run. Okay, we will just scroll. Let me write it again. Okay, just imagine how fast it has run. 50 50. It has not taken even 1 second to run 10 thread. Okay, and we don't have to put any timer to stop it. That is the advantage of wait group. You just run multiple threads, and you tell your program how many threads we have in slice, and you just tell wz done, and you wait for the thread to execute. That's all. This is all what wait group has. Okay, thank you.